It is dark. It's very dark. Flash flood warning, huh? That's for Boone, too. Man, today is cooking. There we go.
Flood warning for northwestern Boone County in north-central Illinois, central Winnebago County in north-central Illinois until 9 p.m.
Not bad.
At 5:05 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicate
We're gonna get a ton of rain from this sucker.
Heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain
yes!
fallen.
Get them all.
Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Rockford, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Roscoe, Rockton, Poplar Grove, Candlewick Lake, Pecatonica, Durand, Timberlane, Caledonia, Harrison, and Sherland. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
I knew this one was coming.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:45 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was 100 hours miles west of Shibuna, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Strong winds resulted in flattened core north of Compton, west of Interstate 39.
Tone outs.
Which also has a history of
Probably for the flash flood warning. It's starting to rain.
The National Weather Service has extended a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Winnebago, southeastern Winnebago County until 1,700
Cool.